Sa loob nga ng 7 hours na inilabas ng SB19 ang kanilang music video ng kantang Visa ay nagkaroon na nga ito ng 341,520 views na para sa mga 18 ay medyo hindi daw ganun kabilis. Dapat daw ay mas move pa. So, engage mga 18. Anyway, isa sa napansin natin na naging part ng music video na ito ay si Ninong Rai at ang The Gang, yung mga kasama niya sa nasabi nga pong mga vlogs niya. Bukod dyan, for sure, ang ilan dyan ay mga kaibigan or mga staff ng SB19. And of course, gumamit muli sila ng jeep katulad ng naging music video nila sa Dungka. Well, sa nasabi nga pong music video, syempre nandun na yung kanta, marami ang humanga dahil kakaiba talaga ang mga concept ng SB19 at yung mga lyrics na talaga namang sumasalamin sa mga karaniwang nangyayari sa pamumuhay ng mga tao. Anyway, ilan sa mga komento ay ating pong babasahin at eto po. Mula kay Julia Jashten, the messaging is a cross between what's going on in the society and their own lore. Really fascinating. Mula naman kay Saki, releasing this after the huge success of Simula at Wakas is making a real statement. Hindi sila typical na idol group. I think they know this probably won't be super successful, especially internationally. Pero nirelease pa rin nila kasi mahalaga ang mensahe. They're using their platform to start conversations that we need to have about how Pinoys devalue ourselves and always look for outside validation to measure our success. Sabi naman ni JZ MHS, I love the metaphor in this. It's saying kahit ano pang gawin ng SB19, kahit anong galing, kahit anong talento, wala pa ring bisa sa mga Pinoy and hindi pa rin sila approve sa kapwa nila. Don't worry kahit anong mangyari, mahal kayo ng 18. SB19 is the genre. I love how they use their voices, not just to flex, but to raise awareness and challenge our government to do better, truly worth supporting. The Philippines is truly blessed to have a group like SB19. They don't make music just to go viral. Yes, that's real. Their songs are socially relevant and deeply relatable. I hope Southeast Asian artists like them receive the global respect and recognition they deserve. C-Pop Rise. Mula kay Ria Caparino, this is SB19 from the Philippines. Pinas ang swerte mo na may SB19 na handa kang ipagmalaki kahit gaanong kahirap. Ginagawa nila lalo na sa mga taong mapanghusga at mapaglamang sa kapwa. Visa for General Epic, nakaka-proud maging Pinoy dahil sa inyo mahalima, padayon lang, so proud of you. Well, hindi nila kailangang sumabay sa gusto ng tao o ng tunog ng masa dahil may sarili silang musika and that's why their music stands out. Kakaiba pero sobrang on point mula naman kay Ali May 1999. Anyway, mula naman kay Ashudesu, for too long, we've endured bureaucratic misses with senseless requirements. Watch as hard work takes a backseat to favoritism. Yes, indeed. And it felt the weight of a system that often works against its people. Talented individuals spend precious time navigating red tape instead of building their careers. Families wait for basic services while resources are wasted. We cannot afford to stay asleep in these realities. Change starts when we recognize that our voices matter. Our struggles are valid and we deserve leaders who will streamline process, prioritize merit, and put the needs of Filipinos first. Hats off to artists who use their platform to speak up and take stand. Be proud 18. We stand the right people. Well, grabe po talaga. Ang gagaling nga po ng mga 18 na magets kung ano po yung nais na ibahagi na mensahe ng kantang Visa. At makikita nyo naman na totoo, minsan makikita mo na dun sa isang tao kung ano talaga at swak na swak itong tao na to sa talento. Pero because of favoritism or may kakilala or may ganito, ay nasa set aside yung tao na mas karapat dapat sana para doon. Well, ano po ang masisay ng 18? Of course, ilagay na ang inyong opinion sa ating comment section. Images or all credit to the rightful owners. Please like, share, and subscribe. And thank you for watching. Show us now.